Welcome to the river, a place of calm, where the water flows endlessly, carrying life and energy along its path. The river moves with a quiet rhythm, a pulse that seems to echo through the air and within the heart. Sunlight glimmers on the water's surface, river stones gleam along the banks, and the world feels hushed and alive all at once. The current carries everything forward. Thoughts drift along with it, some fading into the distance, others transforming into moments of clarity. Energy flows freely here, light, fluid, unbound, rippling through every curve and bend of the river. The water brushes over the spirit, steady and nourishing. Each ripple brings insight. Every bend reveals something new. In this space, life feels expansive, as if the river itself carries understanding and renewal with each movement. Small details emerge: the shimmer of sunlight, the soft whispers of leaves, the gentle sway of the water. Every instant is unique, every moment a chance to discover something previously unseen. The river moves, and with it, all energy rises and falls. Thoughts and feelings drift naturally, flowing with the current, unhurried and unbound. There is no need to hold on, only to witness, only to feel. Life flows just as the river does. Energy moves, shifts, and renews. Each ripple carries a new perspective. Each bend, a chance to awaken something inside. The water's energy radiates outward, connecting every heart to the steady rhythm of life. Tension dissolves. The spirit moves freely. Breath and body align with the soft pulse of the river, and a sense of lightness emerges, uncontained and peaceful. The river continues to move, carrying clarity, renewal, and quiet joy along its endless path. The river is always here, a calm companion you can return to time and again. Its flow, its clarity, its calmness, they are never far away. Each visit brings something new, a fresh ripple of insight, a gentle moment of peace. And as the river moves on, so too does the sense of calm within, steady, flowing, and light.